My name is Rob Schneider. I'm with Veriha Trucking. I work in the safety department and have been here for 6 years. I'm starting my 7th.
I'm Dave Gunt. I am the Director of Driver Development for Veriha Trucking. Veriha Trucking is a Midwest-based carrier that is 250 trucks in size and roughly 1,000 trailers.
There's so much that goes on into selecting a new solution and the add-ons that you have to have. And we wanted a tablet-based system. We had to worry about data. We had to worry about the case. How is it going to be mounted in the truck? What kind of a tablet do we need to have? And then we also had to be in compliance with the FMCSA rules. We found ourselves spending a lot of time looking in a lot of different directions until all of a sudden we came upon integrated communications. From that point on, everything became easy.
It's not an easy transition to install 250 ELDs, but integrated communications made it very easy for us because they had the ELD in a box approach, and everything that was required to mount that ELD in the truck was prepackaged in that box, ready to go.
The box contains the tablet, the mounting hardware. It has the data plan already on the unit itself. It's preloaded with all the apps that we had required and requested.
It's extremely important to find a provider like Integrated Communications to make this as painless as possible.
They provided us with a tablet, a ruggedizing case and a mount that wasn't going to fall off the dash of a bouncing truck. They had a data plan set up for us, and the knowledge and support that we've had have been impeccable. We decided to go with the ProClip cases. We saw one, it was very, very rugged.
Drivers have dropped them. The tablet did not break and the tablet continued to function. That is huge, especially when the tablet is mounted in an 18-wheeler. The tablet is dockable, so what happens is the tablet fits into the mounting arm on the ProClip unit and that charges the tablet.
It's a simple one thumb and lift, and it's coming out of that docking station. The driver can take it around the trailer, into the house, or wherever he wants to go. It's high quality, and we found it met all of our needs.
We expected Integrated Communications to provide a seamless, easy solution for us, and they did just that.
We trusted Integrated Communications, and I highly recommend that you do too. The quality of the products in that box and the quality of the support are like nothing else I've seen.
When you are making the transition to the ELD system, we highly recommend looking into Integrated Communications. You won't be disappointed.